So another option that we have is whenever you get to the end of your weld, if you want to start your next pass at that point, so in this case, we're going from left to right. If you want to do your next pass going from right to left, what you would do is under the Path Variables tab, you would hit the reverse weld direction. Check mark there. One thing to note is when you do that, your X coordinate now flips. Notice where your Y is now. So if you were to do that, your offset value for Y, instead of being positive in this case, is now going to be a negative. Another thing to note is we have a push angle here going this direction, roughly 6 degrees. So what we would need to do is if we were to reverse directions now, it would actually be dragging this direction. So if we want a push angle, we would have to double whatever degree we currently have. So we have roughly a 6, so we'll make this a 12. So when I dry run this, what you'll notice is that it will actually rotate and push the correct direction.